For a long time, the lion is the same, and that makes the baboons and all the animals become afraid when they see their appearance. As when the baboon family was living peacefully and happily together, the predator came and broke everything. As this makes the baboons even more hostile for lions. For their revenge, baboons can do anything, and even kill their opponent's young. As the baboons have a dog-like muzzle, a heavy body, strong jaw muscles with sharp fangs, and eyes close together. They have thick fur, expected for their hairless face and rump, which allows them to sit comfortably. As the male monkeys also appear larger with white manes. And the baboons live in groups and are clearly hierarchical, with members and rulers defined by how they communicate. As they can move around a forest area in the search of food and a place to live. As the baboons not only forage in trees, but they also often come down to the ground in the search of food. Sometimes they even dare to challenge the leopard in territorial disputes. However, due to being busy looking for food, the baboon did not know that he had fallen into the deadly sights of the lion. As thanks to this skillful camouflage and a quick attack, the lion had ended the fate of the baboon cub in front of the herd. As every time the baboon cub is killed, the feud between the baboon and the lion grows more intense. And when the feud reaches its climax, the baboon had caused the lion to suffer an excruciating pain. As this baboon had just kidnapped a lion cub from its mother and then carried it around the tree, from tree to tree. As it seems that the lion cub is very weak, and maybe the baboon has injured it, as we don't know what the end of the lion cub will be. But possibility is that it will be torn apart by the baboons, and because when they're hungry, baboons will eat anything to fill their stomachs. You can guess the outcome. Obviously, climbing the tree is to the baboon's advantage. But with lions, this is not necessarily true. As after discovering the baboon was still in the tree, the lion had climbed up into the tree to attack the enemy. However, the baboon is very cunning, as it quickly climbs to the top of the tree to avoid the lion's pursuit. After a while of climbing, waiting for the right opportunity. Although the baboon in the tree had repeatedly provoked them, lion, it still refused to give up its revenge. And as long as the baboons come down to the ground to feed, waiting for them will certainly be a painful death. As finally, the opportunity came, because one baboon was so hungry that he had risked his life to the ground looking for food. The lion had quickly rushed in to attack the enemy. And seeing this, the baboon not only did not run away, but also bravely confronted the lion. As even the lion was chased by the baboons. After chasing the predator, the baboon did not run away, but it still stood to challenge the lioness. As because of his aggressive nature, the baboon later paid a heavy price when it was killed by the lion. As possessing sharp claws and teeth, with successive bites in the neck area, causing the prey to gradually die. It can be seen that under the fierce attack of the lion, the baboon was unable to resist. As a merciless revenge that the king of the grassland gives to the enemy who dares to touch his children. And still knowing how pitiful the baboons are, we can't intervene with this, but just watch everything that happens in a natural way. As in this cruel and harsh wild world, the loss of children and attack by enemies and cannibalism happens frequently. However, each animal species will have a different behavior. As today's video comes to an end, thank you all so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.